This printer is Canon TS3750i or 3700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up. So I'm going to use Google Chrome. So open Google Chrome, then go to https://ij.start.canon/tx3750i. Select enter. Will show you the printer setup. Select start. Set up a new printer or connect to a computer or smartphone. So select set up a new printer. Continue using this site. Remove orange packaging. We have done that. Turn the printer on. So the printer is on. Install the ink. Then load the paper. We have loaded the paper. Select next. Printer preparation complete. Then select next. Connect the printer to this computer Windows. Select download. Select open. So you can download from the Microsoft Store. Select open the file. So you need to install Canon Print app. Install Canon Print app on PC. So the app is installing. The app is installed. Select open. Before using this application, make sure you read the following. Agree to the required one. Then select OK. If you do not agree to send information that is necessary to use the printer, you are not able to use the service. Select OK. Select next. Add a printer. So it's going to download the driver, checking the latest information. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Select yes. Processing. Please wait. Let Canon access location. Select yes. Check the printer is turned on. Then select next. Dictate printer. So it's going to search for the printer. Connect the printer to the following Wi-Fi network. So you found the printer and also find the network. Then select connect. Connecting printer to the network. The network connection is temporarily disabled during setup. This may take a few minutes. So the printer is connected. If you look on the control panel, you see that the printer is connected. And also it's now downloading the software. Downloading the software and driver. Check printer status. Installing software installation. Installing MP drivers. Processing. The printer is being registered to your computer. This process takes some minutes. Check printer status. Please wait. Connection settings and installation complete. Click next to proceed. Setup complete. You are now able to print and scan. Print test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TS3700 on laptop, Windows x64. Then you select next. Then sign in, enroll in Ink subscription service. It's not compulsory. I'm going to register later. This is the printer and ink level. From this Canon print app, you can scan documents, you can print documents, you can print photo. If you want to scan documents, put the document on the glass scanner, face down, then select scan. Select document as original, resolution 300 dpi, then select scan. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan second page, open the glass scanner, stick the document face down, close the cover, then select next scan to scan the second page. Select scan. So these are documents we scanned, first and second page. To save it, then select save. Then decide where you want to save the document. We want to save it in document file, then select save. So the file is saved. If you want to print it out, select on the documents, select on the file. This is the document scanned and saved to computer. To print it out, select Ctrl P. I want us to print it two-sided. Select more settings. Select print on both sides, and also want to print it in color. Scroll down and select the printer, then select print. Then take the paper, reload it on the tray. Reload it on the tray, then select OK to confirm the paper, and it will print out the second page. This is the document we scanned to this PC and printed it out double-sided manually. So this is the full setup of this printer. This is how to connect this printer to a wireless network with your computer. The full setup guide, print out the test page, and also scan documents to your PC. Thank you very much indeed. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.